Hey Mo Crew, out here at the new 410 that I did a previous video on. So today I brought 4 rounds with me. I'm gonna go ahead and test this thing out. You guys are gonna be experiencing this with me. It is the first time I fired this shotgun, so I've taken some safety precautions. I'm wearing these safety gloves, my hunting gloves. They're thick enough to, just like stop any debris if the barrel decides to blow up on me or if the chamber decides to blow up on me. So when you buy used guns, you don't know what you're gonna get. So I am going to put my eyes on and my ears on and then do a little bit of a woods walk. I'm gonna get a little further into the woods. While I'm out here, I'm going to check the trail camera and review the footage with you guys. So yeah, happy to have you guys part of this with me, and I'm keeping my fingers crossed that this shotgun works the way it's supposed to, and doesn't hurt me. Safety on. Around springtime, you'll see wood ducks chilling in this pond. A lot of them. Alrighty, Mo Crew, so this first shot's gonna be moment of truth. I'm gonna be aiming at that direction, and that direction there's nothing there, and there's a lot of thickage, so it'll be enough to stop all the 410 rounds. Here goes nothing. Cocking the hammer back. Actually, you gotta take this thing off the safe first, put it on fire, then cock the hammer back. Alright, let's see how this ejector works. Wow, that worked well. Alright, let's do another one. Wow, this thing's cool. Ejector. Drop the shell. See that dead stuff right there? Aim at the base of that dead tree. pretty sweet. I like it. Go ahead and comment below in the comment section. Let me know how you like this gun, what you thought, and if there's anything that you dislike. Me, I like the simplicity of it. Like, nothing's gonna go wrong with it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remove my eyes and my ears, and we can continue going on this walk together. Gloves too. Yeah, that was nice. I can see why the reviews all over the internet say it'd be great for beginners, for a novice, for children, for women, assuming that women can't handle recoil, which I know most can, so it's whatever. But yeah, pretty reliable. Those ejectors, they work great. I've never owned a gun that had ejectors before, only extractors. The difference between the two are, well, ejectors, they literally do exactly what they say they do. They eject the round, and because it's pretty much a spring-assisted extractor. My 44 Magnum only has an extractor where this thing lifts up, this little tab right here, lifts up enough for you to grip the round, toss it, or put it in the bucket if you reload, and then put another one in. So that's just how that thing works. I like it. Really happy with it. All right, let's continue our walk. All right, so we have some fresh sign. This wasn't out here last time I was out here. I was out here a couple days ago, and now the ground's soft enough to allow them to make prints. That looks like a doe print. It's front heavy. Yeah. Hopefully, where I have my trail camera placed, there is gonna be some footage on there. I have it set on the video setting. One can hope. I haven't got any video footage of any animals yet. Only video footage of myself and my brother-in-law walking up to the camera to check to see if there was anything there. So yeah, I'm just hoping. It's a beautiful morning, a little humid. Alright, so we just got to the game camera after a little bit of a walk. Here it is right here. This is the frequently traveled path, as you can tell. A lot of wildlife comes through here. A lot of everything comes through here. Some of my videos, you guys are probably pretty familiar with this area, because my videos take place out here. Alright, got that shotgun in the crevice of the tree. Let's go ahead and check this thing out. Oh my god, my dumbass. I had it in the offsetting, oh my god. Well, I'm such an idiot. Oh my god, I had this thing in the offsetting, and so nothing's gonna happen. And there's not gonna be any photos on there or any video pics. So that was from when I checked it last time. I feel like an idiot. Well, I'm gonna leave it out here. Now that I have it on the video setting, I probably missed my chance on seeing that doe, because she came right through here. It's ridiculous. There. Lean this thing back. That way it captures. Actually, you know what? That's perfect. All right. Let's get a move on. Did I say yet how much I like this pointer shotgun? Pretty simple, easy to operate. If you are a close range coyote hunter, if you're a small game hunter, assuming you're a hunter of some type if you're watching my channel, definitely an outdoorsman. This thing's great. I like it. Haven't killed anything with it yet, since you guys just saw my first shots out of this. It's a little leery at first, because when you buy a used shotgun, you don't know what you're gonna get, for one. And two, well, you guys get the idea. Even if it's a new gun, still want to take any chances. I already have a messed up hand. Now I'm so safety conscious that sometimes it sucks. But you know, safety's always in your own hands. It's always nobody else's. It's only yours. So always take precautionary measures to keep yourself safe. And don't do anything stupid. Anyway, I'm not immune to doing dumb stuff. I left that camera in the off position. And so anything that passed by did not get captured in that film. So it's back on the video setting. And I'd like to see how that thing works. From the video quality of my brother and I walking to the camera, looked pretty high definition. Any of those videos during the turkey season, I'm gonna post it up by my, well, this is my plan, be posting the trail camera over by the decoy. That way, if I do get lucky enough to shoot something this fall, I am going to capture it on film from my point of view and from the decoy's point of view. So yeah, there's just a lot of experimenting I'm doing, seeing how this works. And yeah, if you haven't already, be sure to like this video and all my other videos. Just go ahead and watch them. There's content on my channel for just about everybody, so go ahead and hit that like button, hit the notification button, and subscribe. Yeah, thank you for watching.